It's Friday, July 26th, and from WBHM News, I'm Richard Banks with today's top stories. The Alabama Department of Corrections responds to criticism from families of incarcerated people. The department issued a statement a day after an emotional public hearing where family members spoke about prison conditions, describing assaults and deaths behind bars. The Department of Corrections said that changes have been made, including increased hiring of corrections officers and ongoing efforts to curb the flow of contraband. The U.S. Department of Justice in 2020 filed a lawsuit against Alabama, arguing that prison conditions are so poor they violate the Constitution's ban on cruel and unusual punishment. A hospital in Alabama's Black Belt is getting $1 million for a new emergency room expansion. According to a press release from U.S. Representative Terry Sewell, the Hale County Hospital in Greensboro will receive the money to upgrade the hospital's emergency department, adding more rooms as well as life-saving equipment. The Alabama Hospital Association has warned that hospitals throughout the state, especially in rural areas, are in danger of closing, due in part to a coverage gap that leaves roughly 300,000 low-income Alabamians without health insurance. Often, hospitals must still treat those patients who can't pay. Alabama is one of 10 states that has yet to expand Medicaid, which would close the coverage gap for many people in the state. And home sales increase in Alabama for the fifth consecutive month. The latest report from the Alabama Association of Realtors shows an increase of 4.1% in June over the previous month. The median sales price in June was just under $230,000, a more than 12% increase month over month, reaching its highest level in 10 months. But home sales in the state remained lower year over year, with higher interest rates being a major factor. Lower than expected inflation in June could help drive interest rates lower later this year. You'll find more news anytime at WBHM.org.